Yes, ẹ pump.
Wọ́n gbogbo tí mo pump látara ẹ̀.
Ẹ pump ẹ kó lè.
Brother Shaggy.
Ẹ pump ẹ.
Hello, Ashagi Afajare.
That's fine.
Any question of the day?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you.
Brother Shaggy, what if...
Yeah, no, as you see, when you come, you see, nah, I know they have no speak English, speak Pidgin.
If soldier slap your girlfriend, you fit slap the soldier back.
Soldier.
Yes, sir.
We say soldier, I be soldier hand.
Soldier, sir.
I want to know. You know what to be soldier? I mean, it is a soldier and a boy scout. I be guest guy.
What if you have been given 20 million naira?
Not give me 20 million naira. It's too much. Soldier, me slap soldier. The hand will be like Olumoro. They don't slap you before. If they slap you, what you go there? Now at the beginning of whiskey song. I know the reason play because they both say what? A sword is enough for the sight. Oh yeah. Thank you. Pump.